Welcome to Back Ultra Car. Imagine a car that redefines elegance and power. A machine that captures the very soul of Italian luxury and performance. Welcome to the Ferrari Roma, the perfect gateway into Ferrari's legendary world. But do not mistake this for an ordinary introduction. The Ferrari Roma is a grand tourer that combines stunning design, jaw-dropping speed, and a driving experience so immersive that it will leave you breathless. In 2025, the Roma continues to shine as a symbol of timeless automotive excellence, ready to compete with rivals like the McLaren GT and Aston Martin DB12. The Ferrari Roma first appeared in 2021 and instantly captivated enthusiasts with its perfect blend of style and performance. Last year, the Spider convertible version joined the lineup, further enhancing its appeal. For 2025, Ferrari keeps the Roma largely unchanged. However, when a car is already this extraordinary, it does not need a complete overhaul. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Roma houses a turbocharged 8-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 612 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. This powerful engine, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, rockets the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. These figures place the Roma in the same league as purpose-built supercars, making it an absolute powerhouse on the road. What sets the Roma apart is its dual personality. It is a true grand tourer crafted for long, luxurious journeys without compromising on the thrill of driving. The ride is smooth and refined, while the handling is precise enough to inspire confidence in any situation. The braking system ensures total control, even at high speeds. Switch the car into race mode, and it reveals its playful side, even allowing for controlled drifting. This unique balance between comfort and excitement makes the Roma stand out in its class. Step inside the cabin, and you are greeted by a world of cutting-edge technology and unmatched refinement. Ferrari has designed the interior with touch-sensitive controls, giving it a futuristic edge. While some enthusiasts might miss traditional buttons, Ferrari's dedication to innovation is clear. The combination of luxurious materials and modern technology creates an interior that is as captivating as the car's performance. From the outside, the Roma is a masterpiece of design. Its long, flowing silhouette exudes sophistication while every curve hints at its incredible speed and precision. The Roma is not just a car, it is a statement of elegance and power. Despite its performance-focused nature, the Ferrari Roma is relatively efficient, achieving an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking ensure that the Roma delivers both exhilaration and peace of mind. With a starting price of around $243,000 for the coupe and $277,000 for the convertible, the Ferrari Roma is more than a car, it is an experience. It blends beauty, speed, and luxury in a way that few other vehicles can, making it an extraordinary choice for anyone ready to embrace the world of grand touring.